Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 745. Final destination of that train is Oakland, London Square Station. Here she comes now arriving on track number 2. Track number 1 is a light powered Union Pacific train coming. So these two trains for me. Alright folks, this is 745 coming in. F59 PHI leading this one off. That is a 2004 F59 PHI. Good horn show. Hey Greg. '8306 Minnesota. Making her final stop at Oakland London Square Station. Here comes the light power Union Pacific. '9919 leads off. Let's give it a horn show. ST70M's on there. Thank you. 9919 5103. Woohoo! Now there go that train going towards the Port of Oakland. Alright folks, I am Marcel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and evening on this wet weather in Oakland London Square.